Dear students, hope you fine. Today I am going to discuss answers to the questions in poem 6 No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. Write these question answers in your classwork notebook. Roman letter 1 short answer type questions. Number 1 Beneath all uniforms, what uniforms do you think the poet is speaking about? Answer: the poet thinks about the various dresses that people of various countries wear, but beneath the dresses, human body is same. Question number 1, second Roman letter. How does the poet suggest that all people on earth are the same? Answer: the poet says that nobody is different and strange, no country is foreign, a single body breathes beneath all uniforms. Moreover, the land is the same everywhere. Question number 2. In stanza 1, find 5 ways in which we all are alike. Pick out the words. Answer: in the first stanza, the poet says that there is no difference between the body of a citizen of one country and the citizen of another country. We have same kind of body, we wear same kind of clothes, we walk on the same planet, and the end of each individual is the same. Question number 3. How many common features can you find in stanza 2? Pick out the words. Answer: the following common features are given in stanza 2. Sun, air, water, peaceful harvest required for human survival, same hands. Question number 4. Whenever we are told to hate our brothers, when do you think this happens? Why? Who tells us? Should we do as we are told at such times? What does the poet say? Answer: during the war, we are asked to display patriotism by hating the other country. The leaders of the countries involved in a war disagree with each other and influence people to hate one another. We should always remember that we all are humans. We should remember that love conquers all. Now I'll discuss long answer questions, 100 to 150 words each. Answer the following question. Number 1. How are we alike? Explain in context with the poem No Men Are Foreign by James Kirkup. Answer: we all are alike. We have same body structure. All of us need air to breathe, sun to get sunlight, and warmth and water for many purposes. Our daily routine is also almost the same. We get up in the morning, take a bath, have breakfast, and go to work or school. All of us long for love. We all sleep at night and wake up in the morning. When our needs and feelings are the same, then we should treat all people equally. We should not look down upon anybody on the basis of his or her color, caste, region, or gender. We should treat everyone as our brother or sister. Unfortunately, some self-centered people fight with others and try to hurt them. They think that others have harmed them. We should not think that other people are others. They are also our brothers. If they make any mistake, we should forgive them or compromise with them. Long answer type questions. Second one. What do you understand by peaceful harvest? How does the poet show the destruction caused by war in No Men Are Foreign? Answer: peaceful harvest refers to the fact that it is only in times of peace that a civilization progresses. It is only in time of peace that everybody lives in harmony and contentedness. In fact, if a war is raging in a country, then that country faces the threat of starvation since all sorts of production comes to a halt. This idea is conveyed by war's long winter. War renders a land barren. It makes the life of the people and the lands infertile. Both of them are unable to create anything meaningful. That's all today. Thank you very much.